Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the extraordinary world of AI art. With cutting-edge art generation tools, the possibilities are truly limitless. Picture yourself potentially earning a jaw-dropping $1,000 or more per day. Yes, you heard it right. But hold on, it doesn't stop there. Brace yourself for the game changer, turning AI art into multiple passive income sources. Welcome to AI Techscape, where creativity meets financial prosperity. Don't miss the exclusive opportunity to unlock the secret of AI hack that could lead to mind-blowing earnings of over $6,300 per month. Ready to take your artistry and profits to a whole new level? Let's embark on this extraordinary journey together. 1. The digital art market on platforms like Etsy is thriving, presenting a lucrative opportunity. Creators can find and create images for which they hold the rights and list them on Etsy. When customers purchase digital art, they immediately receive the JPEG or any file format listed, making the fulfillment process remarkably easy. The popularity of AI art has sparked a different demand for AI-generated artwork. Additionally, AI image generators enable creating and selling unique images without even mentioning AI. Creators can quickly generate products using these AI tools, with the selling process becoming entirely hands-off. You can check out stores on Etsy to find inspiration and use the AI tools such as Alora.io to explore individual stores, evaluate their revenues and successful products, and identify potential opportunities. For instance, there is this store called Pure Vibes Art Design on Etsy with over 10,000 sales, selling landscape wall art and nature prints. With Alora.io, you can view the store's monthly and annual revenue, plus its top 3 products. Clearly, the world of digital print on Etsy is a serious business. Now, to start something like that and sell wall prints through AI art, you can begin exploring Midjourney, an AI art generating tool. You can join the platform for free or opt for a higher tier membership, which grants greater request availability and faster response times. Next, you can employ prompts like a captivating waterfall nestled amid serene surroundings and lush woods at sunset, similar to the waterfall prints found on Pure Vibes Art Design. Specify your preferred aspect ratio such as 3:4 and select the preferred version of Midjourney like version 5. And just like that, AI brings beautiful images to life, showcasing its unique capabilities in artistic creation. The variation it generates are distinct from original, further highlighting the potential of AI in the realm of art. The ability to monetize AI-generated prompts, sell unique AI images, and explore new avenues for revenue is truly revolutionary. 2. Once customers purchase these digital images, they often want to print and display them on their walls or elsewhere. This presents an opportunity for you to offer prints that are ready to go, framed and shipped directly to them. By leveraging Midjourney, you have the perfect tool to create AI art that can be transformed into digital images ready for printing and framing. For example, you can take inspiration from Etsy stores like the one mentioned before, Pure Vibes Art Design, and use Midjourney to generate similar images. Simply input prompts like a serene rustic landscape featuring a majestic highland cow grazing peacefully amid rolling hills and charming old barns, bask in the golden glow of the setting sun, and let Midjourney work its magic. From the various outputs, you can easily handpick the image that aligns with your artistic preferences and vision. However, you might wonder if this means you'll end up with an excess of printed canvases, cluttering your space and hoping someone buys them. Well, fear not, as print-on-demand services provide a solution to this dilemma. Printify offers a product called Gallery Canvas Wraps with frames ready to be shipped. The beauty of this setup is that Printify integrates seamlessly with Etsy. So, when you sell on Etsy, Printify takes charge from there. They print your image onto canvases or framed prints and handle the entire shipping process without you having to get involved at all. This streamlined process ensures you can effortlessly offer high-quality physical prints without the hassle of inventory management, making it a win-win situation for you and your customers. Number 3. Let's explore another profitable avenue for your AI art. If you've been active on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you've probably encountered discussions about AI headshots. Several websites have emerged allowing users to submit photos of themselves or others and generate AI headshots from them. This trend has gained immense popularity, with many individuals earning a substantial income. One website you can use is dreamwave.ai, offering 50 AI headshot versions for a reasonable $29. Alternatively, profile.picture.ai provides an even more enticing deal, offering 96 photos for just $8 or 280 photos for $14.75, which works out to 8 cents and 5 cents per photo respectively. Interestingly, if you browse platforms like Etsy or Fiverr and search for AI headshots, you'll notice the limited availability of options. However, people frequently discuss and express interest in these AI headshots on social media. This presents a promising opportunity to tap into this demand by offering the service on certain platforms. Using AI headshot tools and providing 96 headshots for $29 on platforms like Fiverr, you can capitalize on the demand while maintaining an attractive price point. You can use dreamwave.ai or a more cost-efficient option like profile.pic.ai to acquire those 96 photos for a mere $8, boosting your potential profits. Before considering platform fees on Etsy or Fiverr, you've already earned a profit of $21 per transaction. Now suppose you fulfill 10 orders daily. In that case, your monthly revenue could skyrocket to an impressive $6,300, showcasing the tremendous earning potential in this AI headshot market. 4. Now that you've acquired the skills to create AI art, it's time to transform this talent into another revenue stream. The key to differentiating between an AI art professional and an amateur lies in using prompts. Prompts are vital words to describe the art one intends to generate through AI. Novices might enter a direct prompt like a colorful hot air balloon floating in the sky, which can produce pleasing outcomes. However, experienced AI users would employ more elaborate prompts such as a magnificent fleet of hot air balloons soaring gracefully over a picturesque countryside during a vibrant sunrise, captured with a wide-angle lens and a professional-grade camera and bathed in a warm golden hue. Now, here's where the opportunity lies. On Etsy, there's a store named Powerful Style, which has begun selling AI prompts for Midjourney. They offer several prompt products, including but not limited to t-shirt designs and storybook illustrations, with prices ranging from $3 to $14. Interestingly, there are few AI prompt listings on Etsy, making it a unique opportunity to meet the demand with minimal competition. While Etsy handles marketing on an extent, there has never been a better time to self-promote. The AI art trend is thriving across various platforms, with dedicated Twitter accounts, Instagram profiles, and YouTube channels exclusively showcasing fascinating AI imagery. Many of these creators generously share the prompts they use, attracting high engagement. Leveraging this interest, you can advertise your AI prompt products on Twitter threads or tweets about AI art, tapping into the organic audience you've built. The anonymity afforded by AI allows you to create an AI profile, AI header, and username, engaging in the online realm without revealing your true identity. What makes this idea even more exciting is building a dedicated audience around AI imagery. As you grow your following, you can share new ideas and products, fostering a loyal community. Encouraging people to subscribe to your AI newsletter for free allows you to send captivating images and prompts and share your experiences in this field. Your social media presence and email subscribers create yet another income source, amplifying the success of your central AI art concept. And lastly, number 5, as you become a thriving AI art entrepreneur, people will naturally be drawn to your success and expertise. They'll want to know the secrets behind your achievements and how they can replicate your results. This is where your role as an expert in the field becomes paramount. It's time to capitalize on your wealth of AI art knowledge and experience by creating an online course that you can sell to eager learners. With the advent of impressive AI language models like GPT version 4, crafting your AI image art course becomes an innovative and efficient process. This cutting-edge AI tool can generate engaging lessons, explain complex concepts, and provide valuable examples, augmenting your own expertise as an instructor. This seamless combination of human expertise and AI assistance ensures your course is comprehensive, well-crafted, and highly appealing to learners. By sharing your knowledge through an online course, you not only solidify your position as an authority in the AI art domain, but also create yet another lucrative income stream. As learners enroll to learn the art of AI image creation, your course becomes a valuable resource, empowering others to embark on their own creative journeys. The potential for substantial earnings and the chance to inspire aspiring AI artists further contribute to the excitement of this AI infinite money loop. I hope you found these AI hacks helpful. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more exciting content. Let's continue exploring, learning, and navigating the AI techscape together.